Unit 8. Vocabulary Focus. Activity 2.
New York City's population in April 2000 stood at just over 8 million, the highest it had ever been since records began. However, while the city's population grew substantially in the first half of the 20th century, it dropped from nearly 7.9 million in 1950 to 7.1 million in 1980. This was despite the baby boom and the surge in immigration from Europe, which started in the 1950s and continued through the 1970s. It was during this period that many families left New York City for the suburbs. But this trend was reversed over the next 2 decades as parts of the city were regenerated, and a rise in immigration from Asia boosted the population to a peak of 8 million by the year 2000. It is unlikely that population growth will reach the levels seen in the first part of the 20th century, when the city's population went up by 38% between 1900 and 1910, but sharp declines are also unlikely. A period of relative stability in population levels seems likely during the first few decades of the 21st century. Moderate growth is expected, although it will be sufficiently high to push the population up to 9 million by 2030.